Are you missing ingredients for real estate success? Well, let's bake a winning recipe together. Imagine this. You're ready to bake the most delicious cake. You got an oven, a handful of ingredients, and a burning excitement to make something amazing. But as you start mixing, you realize you're missing a few key ingredients. And worse, no one gave you the recipe. Sound familiar? That's what real estate feels like for so many agents today. You've got your license, the drive, the desire to succeed, a heart to help, but something is missing and you're not even sure what it is. Think about it. Baking a cake without all the ingredients or a clear recipe is crazy. Well, and it leads to a mess. Maybe it's flat, maybe it's burnt, maybe it doesn't even make it into the oven. It certainly isn't going to taste good. The same thing happens in real estate. You start with excitement, maybe even some natural talent, but without the right tools, training, guidance, and support, it's tough to create the beautiful and successful business you imagine. At Clareo Real Estate, we work with agents just like you, people who love helping people. They're smart, they're skilled, and they know they're capable of so much more. They just need the missing ingredients to bring it all together. Here's the good news. Success in real estate isn't magic. It's a recipe. And at Clareo, we've perfected it. You need scripts that feel natural, tools that save you time, and strategies to attract clients, not chase them. It's the right process. Knowing what to do and in what order makes all the difference. We teach you when to mix, when to let things rise, and when to turn up the heat. The right support. You need it because, let's face it, you can't taste test your own cake. You need a team to coach, guide, cheer you on, and encourage you. Most agents don't fail because they lack potential. They struggle because no one shows them the recipe. We've helped agents go from scrambling to thriving, and we'd love to do the same for you. So, are you ready to bake something amazing? At Clareo, we give you the recipe for success and the ingredients that you're missing. You bring your passion, we'll bring the tools and the support. Together, we'll create the business and life you've been dreaming of. Call me directly, 678-335-6012. Don't wait. Your dream business is just a few ingredients away. I'm Deborah Morton, the founder of Clareo Real Estate. My goal is to create a clear path to success for your career. And oh, by the way, we actually do eat cake around here. So if you join Clareo, you might just get invited to one of our legendary cake baking parties. But first, let's get you on the right path to success. I can't wait to hear from you.